Now we calculate elevations VPC. What is the VPC elevation? VPC elevation is equal PO elevation. PO elevation. What is the PO elevation? 200 meters. 200 minus how much minus this value. You can easily see, of course, this value. And what is this value? This value is, if this value I assume hash is equal L divided by 2 times tangent alpha. Of course, tangent alpha equal hash divided by L divided by 2. Tangent alpha, this is any problem? No, this is tangent alpha. Alpha is here. Tangent, what is tangent alpha? Hash divided by L divided by 2. Tangent alpha this. If I grab to hash is equal to L divided by 2 times tangent alpha. What is the tangent alpha? Tangent alpha is grade or slope. Tangent alpha is grade. What is this line grade? What is this line grade? This line grade is 0.058. G1 is 0.058, and we know that hash is equal L divided by 2. What is the L? L is 180 meters and L divided by 2 90 meters times tangent alpha. Tangent alpha is equal to 0.058, and it equal with calculator 90 times 0.058 is equal 5.22 meters. And VPG elevation must be equal R times or G1 times R or R times G1 must be equal. VPG elevation, if you look at the slide about this vertical curve, I send it all slideshows in WhatsApp. And what is the formula? VPG elevation is equal POE minus G2 times R. Yes, VPG elevation is equal 200 minus G1 0.058 times R. Sorry, this value is X, this value is X, no R. This is X. R is equal hash, R is equal hash, doesn't matter, I assume hash, but in formula this is R, and G1 times X, this is equal R, yes, equal R. And what is the solution? Sorry, there is a razor. Yes, and 0.058 times x value. What is the x value? L divided by 2. if you go through 90 meters, your elevation decrease 5.22 meters, it means. And what is the x value? X is L divided by 2, it is 90, is equal to 200 minus 5.22, and it's equal 194.78 meters. Yes, we know YPG elevation. And what is the VPT elevation? VPT elevation must be equal 200 minus 0.0, what is the grade and second section, 0.065 times 90. What is the solution? I'll calculate with calculator. 200 minus 0.065 times 90 equal 194.15 meters. And this is VPT elevation, this point's elevation. And again, same formula. If you go through on horizontal way 90 meters, your elevation decrease 5.85 meters. What is that? It is equal R is for here G2 times X. G2 times X. What is the X? X is 90 meters again. And what is the R? R is equal to G2 0.065 times 90 must be equal times 90 5 point, of course it must be same, 5.85 meters. Yes, if you this plus this equal 200 meters. And again we can calculate another option to VPT points elevation. What is the another option? Another option is this. Look at here is when we try to find the elevation of VPC, our reference point is POI. Our start point is POI. We found VPC elevation according to POI, and again we found VPT elevation according to POI, but we can find easily VPT elevation according to VPC point. Look at that. What is the VPT elevation? VPT elevation must be equal here. Look at that. Is a curve, and this is the first line, this second line, sorry, second line, and I try to this point's elevation, and if I go through 180 meters, of course we can found here. How we found that? We must know y value. What is the y? If you go here, it's the y value. Y g divided by 2 times L minus square carre. Look at the formula. Here is, if you go through x meters, and if you want to find this point's elevation, goes goes on x and increase r. What is the r? G1 times x and decrease with y. What is the y value? Y is g divided by 2l times x square. And yes, we will let's try to find this point's elevation according to VPC elevation. Yes, VPT elevation must be equal VPC elevation. What is that? What is this? 194.78 and plus r, of course, plus r and plus r and minus y. What is the r value? R is equal G1. What is the G1? 0.058. This value G1 times 180 and minus y. What is the y? Y is g divided by, what is the g value? G value is here 0.123 divided by 2 times L. What is the 2 times L? L is 180. 2 times L is equal 360 times x square. X, what is the x value? 180 square. And with calculator, VPT elevation is equal, I am trying now, 194 0.78 plus 0.058 times 180 minus 0. Minus and times 180 square. If you calculate with calculator, this value is, you can see easily, choice is yours. If you want to find this point elevation according to here, you can find this. If you want this point's elevation according this POI, you can find this. Choice is yours. Goodbye.